Noun, naming word. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Person, Ollie, teacher, doctor. Place, school, park, Pakistan. Thing, table, phone, book. Idea, happiness, freedom, love. Example, the cat is sleeping on the bed.
Pronoun replaces a noun. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun to avoid repetition. Personal pronouns, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Possessive pronouns, my, your, his, her, our, their. Demonstrative pronouns, this, that, these, those. Example, Sarah is my friend. She is very kind. Verb, action or state word. A verb expresses an action or a state of being. Action verbs, run, eat, sleep, play. Helping verbs is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had. Modal verbs, can, could, may, must, should. Example, he writes a letter every day. Adverb describes a verb, adjective, or adverb. An adverb describes how, when, where, or to what extent an action happens. Manner, how, quickly, happily, slowly. Time, when, now, yesterday, soon. Place, where, here, there. Example, she sings beautifully. Adjective describes a noun or pronoun. An adjective gives more information about a noun or pronoun. Quality, brave, happy, sad. Size, big, small, huge. Color, red, blue, green. Quantity, many, few, some. Example, he has a red car. Preposition shows relationship. A preposition shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun with another word in a sentence. Place, on, in, under, between. Time, before, after, during. Direction, to, from, towards. Example, the book is on the table. Conjunction joins words, phrases, or sentences. A conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses. Coordinating conjunctions, and, but, or, so. Subordinating conjunctions, because, although, while.
Example, I wanted to go outside, but it was raining. Interjection expresses strong emotion. An interjection is a word that expresses a sudden emotion or feeling. Wow. Oh, ouch, hooray. Example, wow, this cake is delicious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, comment and subscribe.